Okay, here we have a school database where it has pages for students, instructors, classrooms, and course. We'll start off with the students page. The students page will basically just display all of the information that's in the students table. We have links to add a new student and to go back to the main page. So to add a new student, we'll go over here and we'll need to fill in all these fields. So let's say I just want to fill in my first and last name and add it. It's not going to let me. It's going to ask for every one of these to be filled. So we're just gonna make up an address. 12345 Main Street, City. For all the data that I've entered, I've used New York as an example, so I'm just going to do the same thing. And the state has to be 2 letters. So if I try to type in New York, it's not going to let me. It needs to be the abbreviation. So we'll do NY, zip code, making up a zip code here. And then class standing. So freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. Let's just say sophomore, and we'll make up a major. Let's just do art history or something like that. So we add student, we get a message up here, student data has been added. When we go back to the students page, it's going to be at the very bottom. And then it will create an ID for the new student that was added. So let's go back to the main menu. Let's go to the instructors page. Basically the same, similar setup to the students page. The employee ID, first name, last name, and subject. We have a page to add new instructor and go back to the main menu. I'm going to use, again, my first and last name as an example. And let's say I teach business, something like that. We're going to add the instructor information added. If we go back to the instructors page, it creates an ID, and then it'll have my first and last name and what field of what subject I teach. Let's go back to main menu. Let's go to the classrooms page. Again, similar setup. We have the ID, building, floor, the room, and we also have a column to edit any information on the table. Let's go to the add a classroom page first. ID, we can create our own ID. So let's just say 456. Building, let's make up a building. I'm going to say the science building. And it's going to be on the 3rd floor. And room 2011. We go to add, classroom added successfully. And it will go here. Where did it go? Here it goes. At the very bottom. Let's say I want to edit it, the science building, and let's say the classroom changes to the 2nd floor. We can save it and return to classroom, and it'll update over here. Let's go back to the main menu. We have the last page, which is the courses page. Again, separated by column, course room number, instructor, classroom days, time, and update. Let's add a new course. Course room number, make up anything, choose instructor. So it'll only give you the options of the instructors that have already been listed. Let's go with me. The classroom is in the art history room, or what was the subject I chose? We'll just go with art history room. Days, we can do abbreviations. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday would be MWF. Tuesday, Thursday would be TNR. So let's just say TR. Time, it's going to be 10 to 11. We can add the course, and when we go back, it'll just say 10 to 11. If we want to update this and say, oh, it's actually not going to be from 10 to 11, but 11 to 12, we go to update, and that'll update that information back for us. And that is the school database.